in an AP, m t into tm equals to n into tn. Prove that tm plus n equals to 0. किसी AP में अगर m वें पद का m गुना n वें पद का n गुना आपस में बराबर हो तो सिद्ध करना है कि m plus n वां पद शून्य होगा. We have to prove that the m plus nth term is equals to 0 when m times of mth term equals to n times of nth term. At first given है m into tm equals to n into what tn. That means m into tm means a plus what m minus 1 into d equals to n into a plus what n minus 1 into d. Multiplying both sides, m a plus m into m minus 1 into d equals to n a plus n into n minus 1 into d. Transposing these two, m a minus what n a, m a minus n a equals to n into n minus 1 into d minus m into m minus 1 into d. Here a is common, a into what m minus n equals to, here d is common, okay, n into what n minus 1 minus m into m minus 1 into d. Therefore n into n square minus n square plus m into d. N into n square minus n m into m square minus into minus plus m. Okay, now n square minus m square minus n plus m into d. Here is a square minus b square, a minus b into a plus b n plus m. Minus 1 is common, minus 1 common, that means n minus m into d. n minus m common, okay, n minus m is common. Here remains n plus m minus 1 into d. Minus common, here minus is common, minus a into n minus m. N becomes positive and m becomes negative. N minus m cancel out. Minus a equals to n plus m minus 1 into what? D. Implies that a equals to minus m n plus m minus 1 into d. It can be written what? Minus m plus n minus 1 into d, the value of a. Therefore tm plus n equals to a plus m plus n minus 1 into d equals, okay. Now tm plus n प्रूव करना है 0. tm plus n equals to what? a plus m plus n minus 1 into d. The value of a, what? Minus m plus n minus 1 into what? d. The value of a minus m plus n minus 1 into d plus what? m plus n minus 1 into d. M plus 1 minus 1 into d, m plus n minus 1 into d. This one positive, this one negative, cancel out, equals to 0. That means t, what? M plus n equals to 0. Hence proved. चलो